guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be watching RIO, which is actually one of my favorite movies, and we're going to be watching it with my birds, assuming they stay on my head and my shoulder the entire time. But few things before we get started. I did start my memberships tab on YouTube. I also opened the Patreon, but I still don't know how to use it, so I did YouTube instead for now. There are $2.99, $4.99 and $9.99 memberships. $2.99 is going to be early access, so you can see all the highlight videos on YouTube before I put them out. For the full reactions tier, you're going to be seeing most of the unedited version of what I'm watching. From here on out, I will be uploading full reactions there. And then the $9.99 tier is going to be everything that I just said, plus movies or TV shows that you guys want me to watch. It's just for like those random shows that maybe I want to watch, maybe that YouTube never lets me post, like South Park. I can never post anything with South Park because I get taken down so quickly. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started and watch RIO. Oh, and if you guys don't know, if you're new here, this is Peewee. She is a pineapple green cheek conure. Pineapple just refers to the color. They're all green cheeks. And then this is this is Bimo. He's a sun conure. Kind of sad you can't really see Bimo, but is this working? Barely. I love birds so much. I don't think that's something you get when you first meet me, is that I love birds. Specifically parrots, just because they're so much fun. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh my god, he's ready. This makes me so sad because this is exactly what happens. And a lot of them don't make it. Honestly, this is so sad, but if this ever happened to me, that would make me the happiest person in the world, just finding a baby bird. Oh my god, look at him, he's so cute. I love. Yo, why is this me? I have literal birthday party pictures with my birds. Ooh. Guys, why can't we be this cool? The most we do is take walks together. We don't have a morning routine. Oh.
This is the life.
I hate that that's the voice actor.
Marshmallow to cocoa ratio.
Birds can even have chocolate.
Where are you migrating to this year, huh? The breakfast nook?
A girl, he has a whole house. Have fun flying in the cold. Oh my god, he is a cutie. I would not mind in my store.
As far as we know, Blue is the last male of his kind.
That's really sad because they did go extinct in the wild.
We found a female. Don't worry, their natural instincts always take over.
Wait, no.
Oh no, we lost one. No, we lost the other one. It's nice while it lasted.
Angles. Adjusted for wind shear.
He
Good.
He's doing physics. Oh, I thought this was Bimo.
Have I ever broken a promise?
This makes me so sad.
I'm scared too.
I be talking to my birds like this, and I know they understand me. They sound crazy. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, the one on the right is 100% smacked.
Really? I don't?
Except you got pigeon doodle on your nose.
Oh, no. A girl.
Oh, a girl.
Oh my god, they're so cute. That's my bird. I have that bird. So fitting that he's the villain of this movie.
Help! Let me out of here!
That's so awkward. He's literally there to smash. Guys, you're missing the movie.
She's like an angel.
Wow, find me a man like that. Oh my gosh, she stole his spot just to be petty. It's so funny. An evil bird and a cockatoo, of course.
I thought I was the bird nut until I met you.
Right.
Yo, the day I met someone who's a bigger bird person than me,
Obviously,
ooh,
I'm a blue
wedding
macaque kind of
bells.
gal.
And devastating. Can't imagine someone stealing my bird. I keep a lock on their aviary so no one steals them. I feel bad for him too, though. He's just a little kid. A homeless little kid.
Tall, a TV show, women too. I was tall, over 1'2".
1 foot.
Like an abandoned school, I have no principal.
Yo, bars for days. That one little box took out all of Brazil.
Is that a spider on my back?
Will you quit it? It's just a leaf. Turn around. Leaf, sir? Have you seen my bird? Have you seen my bird? Excuse me. Have you seen my bird?
This is too real. It's too real for me. I almost lost BMO like last week. He flew out of my house and I was devastated. Because it was already getting colder, so if he stayed out for longer he would have gotten sick. And I was prepared to just stay out all night looking for him, and I heard his little squawking and I found him in the tree and I rescued him.
What are you gonna do? Wander the city calling, here, birdie, birdie, here, birdie.
That's what I did, and I found him.
Deal?
Fine. Deal.
If that worked, they would have been dead. So they're lucky. Oh my god, little babies.
What's going on down
Oh
there?
my god, George Lopez.
And watch it fast as he watch it fast as goes.
Like a river of the sweetest honey.
Ooh, I guess love is deaf, too.
Come here.
That's why they keep having kids.
But hey, we might as well give it a shot. Let's go quickly. No, don't look back. Now, you flap your right wing, you flap your left wing, and together, you fly.
But this doesn't seem aerodynamically possible.
Yeah, bad idea, bad idea. George Lopez. That,
We're gonna die.
do we gloss over him dying? No, right, we don't.
I thought you were dead. Hold up, rewind. Ain't that the bird from the cave?
Yeah, look at this party, Kiwi.
Some party, huh?
This is the.
Ain't no stopping
Yo,
now.
this party is lit. Clearly she didn't think so.
You're in like hip and hop.
Cheese and sprinkles.
Ew.
It's a Minnesota thing.
Ew, is it really? Ew.
The birds were right here.
Well, how do you know?
Because I'm the one who took them.
Aww.
I didn't.
Watching them up there makes you want to chase them and grab them in your mouth and bite your heads off.
Yo, me not dealing with anyone's problems. Not even my own.
And you know what? I hate samba. Yeah, I said it. Every song sounds exactly the same. Tico taco ya ya ya. Tico taco ya ya
Oh
ya.
no, this is a little wild coming from an American.
You left without me.
Hmm.
Messed up.
Along, my dear, we're going to a parade. Everybody loves the parade.
You know what's funny about his laugh? My bird screams like that sometimes.
Oh, yes, nice. Very nice.
Okay, to be fair, he told them that morning that they needed to float. That's pretty good for like 12 hours. Remember what I said in the beginning, how like he was cute? Good. Oh my gosh, she got a body. Pee-wee again. Bimo has not made an appearance this whole video. I'm really sad about it.
I think we're done here.
Yeah, you might as well.
Blue, we found him. She's on some like weird chicken float. Come on.
Let's go get
he has
Jewel.
shoes.
Woo, that float is a crime in itself. Whoa.
Bimo, what are you doing? Might as well. Can you guys see?
Get in.
I don't know how I got up
This
there.
is me rescuing my birds. Yeah, because you had to run away from me.
Hurry, we gotta help the others.
I'm a pretty bird. I'm a pretty bird. I'm a pretty bird. Pretty bird. I'm a pretty bird.
Oh my, this makes me so happy.
Not cool, man. Not cool.
They couldn't give him a better line.
Ah, we're going down.
Does he die? I don't remember him dying. Am I crazy? Does everyone die? Aww. Is that how you guys kiss?
Idiots.
You know, he never gets his comeuppance. He just gets away.
Don't worry. I'll take care of you.
When birds break their wings, they can't really fly after that. Not to ruin the moment, but... I thought they had babies. Am I crazy?
Everything's wild and free.
Never alone, 'cause
Ew,
this is our home.
Horrible voice. Oh, those are their babies. So he did smash. Oh, Will I Am is Jimmy Fox. Oh my god. Oh, he didn't die. Should we watch the credits, guys? Oh, they did get their comeuppance. Alright guys, that was Rio. I hope you guys had fun watching with me and my birds. Leave in the comments what movie you want me to watch next, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.